what do you know that as Kurren Puupaja, Kurren's wood turning shop, actually it's not wood turning shop as it is. Actually it is, but Kurren Puupaja means Kurren's food shop. If I use the word wood turning shop, then it will be in Finnish puun sorvauspaja, and it's a little bit too extensive, too wide, and well, I do more than just wood turning. And this time I'm addressing you with one petition. I hope you can help me. And I use iMac and iMac camera. I'm looking to the camera, just like looking to you. And normally what I use is this one. Do you see? It's an HDD. Let's go back. Camera, 1080, everything. Okay. This one is what is making my videos. I did ask for a new, well, I don't ask, but I purchased, make an order for a new microphone, but it was a wrong one. The Canon. This one has got its own type of microphone, but next time I will have that one. A little bit more light from the sides, from there, and I keep looking myself on this video because it's a bad business. But anyway, I have here one image. You will see it now. It's a disc sander, a bit more than 125 millimeters or 150 millimeters disc sander. Because actually what you're using when it's like 150 millimeters, you're actually using 75 millimeters, actually less, the other side of that disc sander. I've been trying to buy a bigger disc sander. Well, not the disc sander, but the sanding element in itself. Self-glued. I will take an MDF or whatever it is and make the plate. You know, the round thing, and put it in one of my lathe. Well, it can be from the top to the floor it's 80 centimeters, so it could be 1.6 meters in diameter, 1.6 millimeters. But there is nothing in Finland. Now I made some notes. Finland is like an ambomaa. Ambomaa. It means maa is a country, and Ambo is a name of that country. But I think there is maybe no country in Africa that is called Ambomaa. It means underdeveloped country, uncivilized country that there is nothing except black people. Well, Finland is like Ambomaa in certain way, in certain business. And in this case, they're all white, mostly white. We don't have that many immigrants from the foreign countries, but when you go to this basic Ambomaa, there is nothing you can get. Not even fresh water. And if you want to have a good whiskey, you must have connections to the British Embassy, if there is a British Embassy or whatever. In Finland, the connections doesn't help because certain things that just doesn't exist because all those importers, wholesalers, whatever they are just thinking that hey, we know what the Finns need. We know what the small wood shops need out of whatever it is. We know what they need, what kind of machinery they need, what is the best price for them to sell that they will buy with a huge profits, timber, all that. It's just scrap. When you buy exotic wood, it goes from Africa or South America, it goes to the certain companies in Europe, mostly in UK and then in America, and they sell the best for the best clients, and they sell for the best clients, and then somebody buys the scrap and they sell it to the Finland, and that is the best quality of this, like Zebrano wood, mahogany, you name it. And when you start using it, you pay the full price, like in UK or in Germany, or more than in United States. And what do you get? It's a scrap wood. That's how it is in Finland. But now back to the disc sander. I need a disc sander. I don't like to pay big money for a disc sander, for the big disc sander, you understand? So what I need is the sander itself. You know, that round thing that you just put it on an MDF or whatever it is. Just glue it together and you start working. And if it is a 16-inch, I can use the 8-inch. If this is a 40-inch, I can use the 20-inch. Actually, going around, but basically it is the one half of it, because when it's turning around, when it's turning on this side from right to left, then the right side tends to get up and the left side goes down. So, well, something like that. I did make some notes. Do I understand to read my own stuff? And it is, and it's not this. No, no. Okay. I'm not buying the disc sander itself. There is a good prices around in the United States, in Britain, United Kingdom, it is, and in Germany, but it tends to be that the transportation cost is a little bit too high, individual transport cost for me. But tell me, please, where can I buy this replacement? You know, this one, the sander itself, not the machinery, nothing else, just the sanding part, and put it together. The rest of it, I got my tools, I got an extra lathe to do that, and I got one more lathe. I can just promote that to be my disc sander, but I've been looking for Google to find in Finland, nothing. 125 millimeters, 150 millimeters. That's about it. And there must be some industrial things, but it's not on the Google. And I hate to start calling around because calling in Finland is expensive. Very, very expensive to call the companies because there is the operator that gets the money. In the best way, you're paying close to €1 a minute just to hang on a line. We will answer you soon. Hang on, please wait. You can also make the questions, your request, on the internet. They make money here in Finland on this one, on low prices. We don't have the fixed line anymore. Everybody got a mobile phone. That's the life. So please, if you know any company that is selling these things to me, please contact me. Down there, it is not for me, but I think there is a few more people that is looking for the same thing. Thanks for watching this, and I will be back. Also my videos in English, but it's just been in Finnish because mostly it's been a reply back to the Finnish viewers. They look my videos and they make questions, and I've been busy on the other side, and actually there hasn't been much exciting or anything new for me, except I should do that because it will promote me, for me, more dollars from the Google. We all want that. So I'm really thinking to start to think, why not making videos in English also, in my way. Thanks for watching, and please reply. There must be a way to make the order through the internet. And happy Christmas for all you, or happy seasons, whatever it is that is coming, holidays anyway. This is Kurre Puupaja, and Kurre actually means, it's a nickname from a Swedish name Kurt, or you say Kurt, C-U-R-T. And in Finland, in Sweden, that turns always to Kurre. See you, and take care, and good shavings, on a plate.